The following segment is sponsored by Dr. Lampee.
Thanks for watching AM Northwest. Staying healthy is more important than ever, and your mouth plays a big role in the health of your immune system. Here to share more about the importance of your oral health and how he can help, we welcome back Dr. Heath Lampee, my favorite dentist of all time. Hello. You're my dentist, and I'm,
Thank you.
You're the best dentist I've ever had because you are so enthusiastic and you're so good at what you do. So
I'm passionate about what I do. I love what I do.
And you can tell, and it's so fun to come see you. Even, yes, getting a cleaning. Okay, let's talk about oral health and why it's so important now during COVID.
So with coronavirus, what we found is people who get coronavirus who aren't healthy have the worst complications. They're hospitalized. Their risk of death is higher. Those are patients with who are obese, high blood pressure, diabetes, maybe other sorts of autoimmune disorders. So the immune system affects overall health. So what we're finding in the last year is we have so many patients running around who haven't been to the dentist in 5, 10, 20 years, where they've got unchecked periodontal or gum disease. They've got abscesses that are draining into their sinuses or silent infections in their mouth that are just slowly eating away at the bone with different bacteria in there. And so that overtaxes the immune system, which means that you are not as healthy as you need to be if you are faced with a new virus or bacteria infection.
Right. I remember I had a cracked tooth once, and that led to an infection. I'm like, well, if it doesn't hurt, why do I need to bother getting it fixed? And the reason?
Yeah, that's a really, really valid argument. And I have so many patients say, well, it doesn't hurt. But what so many dental infections are, they are very, very slow. And they can take months or years to really bore holes in the bone or bore holes into the sinus and fully abscess. And they don't hurt really until it's too late, until they're very, very big. So that's why it's so important to come in for regular checkups, to get your teeth cleaned, and then also on different x-rays, whether they're 2-dimensional or now are 3-dimensional x-rays, we can actually see all these infections that we used to miss, especially with the 3D x-rays that we're seeing now. And now with the correlation between mouth health and the rest of our body health, because all these infections in our mouth, they don't just stay in your mouth. They can get into the bloodstream. They can affect risk for heart attack, stroke. They can make your diabetes worse, your blood pressure. They can do a lot of things.
Right. And the fact that you have all the latest technology is really helpful. And as a patient, it just makes life easier when you're sitting in that chair. Yeah.
I've invested in the things that I think are important for my patients. I don't have technology all over the place, where there's every doodad and gadget imaginable. You've got to invest in a few that you can utilize very well so that you can help your patients and get rid of these infections and utilize all this technology to the best of our abilities without being overwhelmed.
Exactly. Okay, let's take a look at a before and after picture here. This is Anna Maria.
Okay.
Tell me about her.
Yes. So Anna Maria hadn't been in a long time, like a lot of our patients. She was a bit nervous. And so she had worn her teeth down, ground them down. They were broken. And so in the course of about a day, we were able to do our crowns and veneers and totally restore her smile and get all the infection out, all the cavities out, all the broken teeth, and just make it beautiful with our crowns and veneers. And her new smile is it's elated. She is ebullient. She's loving life.
You can tell. I mean, her smile is so genuine there. Why do you think people wait so long before getting the help they need for their teeth?
The answer I hear every day is fear. It's a phobia. They have so many bad negative experiences as children and young adults that it's built up in their head that no dentist is out there to help them. They've had worse and worse experiences, and when they did seek help, it seemed like they were worse off for it. So it finally takes a leap of faith to say, hey, I'm going to come in. I'm going to see what this guy has to say. I know it's been a long time. I know there's something wrong in my mouth. I know it. Either I'm not smiling anymore, my mouth hurts, maybe my gums bleed. So they come in, and that's where we sit down. I like to take my time with my patients and just say, this is what's going on. This is how we can fix it. This is how we can fix it comfortably. And this is how quickly we can fix it. It's not going to take years.
Right. It's amazing you were able to help Anna Maria in one day. But the thing I like about you is that you speak the truth and you are trying to help the patient. Like you helped me save money by not making me do things I didn't need to do. It's not like you're trying to get me to do every latest thing so you can make more money.
No, I'm just, my big thing is come in, let's figure out what the real problem is. And most of the patients that come into my office, they usually have a lot of things going on. So, you know, I don't have to make this up or that up. It's just, they know it's wrong and they know it's been so many years, like, how can we just fix it?
Right.
And that's the big thing is like, how can we make the biggest change in each of our patients' lives and look at the bigger picture to change their lives, their health, their confidence. And that's what I do.
Yes, you do it so well. We want to tell everybody, Dr. Lampee, implants, veneers, and laser. Give him a call, 503-646-2273. He really is the best dentist. Thank you so much, Dr. Lampee. I'll see you tomorrow.
So much. I appreciate it.
Okay, see you tomorrow. And we'll be right back with more AM Northwest. Stay with us.